are you doing? Welcome to another episode with my digital lawyer. I'm a business lawyer, an intellectual property lawyer, and an entertainment lawyer in Nigeria. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button before you leave so you get notified when I post quality legal content every other week. Yes. So for those who are subscribed to my channel, thank you. Thanks very much. I appreciate you. Today, I just want to talk about a frequently asked question. What documents are required to operate a corporate account in Nigeria? Yes, you know what a corporate account is, right? Okay, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. It's my digital lawyer here. A corporate account simply is the account that's not for individuals, it's for your company, your business, or your organization. Yes. So you know sometimes when you pay monies into people's accounts and you're like ABC so company limited. So you're not paying into Omotayo Alemaro's account, you're paying into my digital lawyer account, and you know the benefits of that. If you do not know, I'll do that in subsequent video. But today I'm addressing the documents you require. So whenever you want to open your own corporate account, get these at the back of your mind. Basically legal documents. First document that will be asked for is your CAC incorporation document. Yes, a certificate of incorporation from the Corporate Affairs Commission. So either you have a business name certificate, or you have an LTD certificate, or an IT certificate, as the case may be. That's very important. You see why you need to register your business, right? Then the second important document is your tax clearance certificate, or just your tax identification number. Even if you do not have the TCC, you should get your tax identification number. So prior to 2020, people had to apply to the FIRS to get their tax identification number after registering their business in Nigeria. But the CAC has made it easy. So in collaboration with the Federal Inland Revenue Service, right, they come together, and once you are able to register your company with the Corporate Affairs Commission, voila, you have your TIN. So you have your registration number for the CAC, and you have your TIN beneath at the top, at the bottom left corner there. So that's easy. Register your business already. Then the third document, which is the SCUMAL documents from the EFCC, just to show that your account is not used for money laundering. No one is just using your business as a fund, just to show that you are not a fraudster, or you're not laundering money in that account. Just to prove that yes, you're not using this business for fraud, you need to get a SCUMAL certificate. And I will highlight the documents required for SCUMAL application subsequently. That's for another video. You need a lawyer to get this for you. You need a lawyer to get the CAC documents. You need a lawyer to get your TIN if you are registered before 2020. You need a lawyer to get your SCUMAL certificate. So other documents that will be required from the bank are things like your passport photograph, not just the individual. If it's a business name with a sole proprietor, the passport photograph of the proprietor of the business, or proprietors as the case may be, a valid ID card, which is your international passport, your PVC, or your national ID card, something to show that you're Nigerian, of course, right? A board resolution, very important. These documents, most times, the accountant, the secretary, who is sometimes a legal practitioner to the company, drafts the board resolution. But this is basically an agreement by board members, by directors, members of the company, stating that we agree to operate so account with this bank. So the board resolution has to be dated and signed, prepared preferably by a lawyer or your company secretary, as the case may be. You need a board resolution to be submitted. And then you need some things to prove your address. So maybe like the address of the company, maybe a utility bill, so many other not so relevant for the purpose of this video, and for the purpose of time. But you see, your corporate affairs commission document, your TIN, your SCUML, your board resolutions, these are very, very vital documents, yes, that you need to open a corporate account. And this may interest you. If you're a lawyer, I suppose you know already, there's already a decision, a Supreme Court decision, there's already a decision by the court that states that lawyers are exempted from the need to apply for a SCUML. So as a lawyer, I use my digital lawyers, for instance, when I was going to open my digital lawyer corporate account. The bankers were like, well, what of your SCUML certificate? And I'm like, hey, I'm a lawyer. There's a recent decision that states that we do not need to provide SCUML certificates. So SCUML is just SCUML, that's an abbreviation. If you're a foreigner that owns business in Nigeria, you need to show your resident permits and work permits, your ID card, your foreign ID card, of course, yes. And then you need 2 referees, so you need people to stand for your company. Most times they ask for corporate accounts, not just a current account. They ask for a corporate account. You get maybe another business owner with a bank account, probably with that bank you want to open with, or some other bank. At least 2, or at most 2, basically most times 2 reference letters from corporate bank owners, yes, and then you get your corporate account open. So that's where you look responsible to your clients and customers, right? Alright, if you want to know more about how to go about these documents, you can send me a DM. If you're not clear as to how to get your SCUML, your TIN, your CAC documents, you can send a DM or send a mail to mydigitallawyer@gmail.com, and we take it up from there. It's in your best interest to have a corporate account for your business, of course, rather than mix business money with private money, okay? Till I come your way again some other time, I remain Omotaya Lemeru, also known as My Digital Lawyer. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at My Digital Lawyer. Subscribe to this YouTube channel because it's really going to be helpful to your business and to you if you're a creative. Leave a comment below if you have questions. I'll be here to answer your questions if I can. And if they require consultation, then you have to book a session by sending in a mail, mydigitallawyer@gmail.com. Bye.